The Rising 2021 presents the third edition of Women in AI Leadership Awards, which celebrates women technology leaders and their excellence in AI and data science innovation. Hosted by Analytics India magazine, Women in AI Leadership Awards recognize the most influential women in India who have created a great impact in the analytics industry by demonstrating considerable experience in data science and AI leadership. The awards honors individuals who have been at the forefront of the technology disruption and have played a key role in driving growth and business value for their organizations using AI and data science. These women are celebrated leaders and role models in the analytics industry. The winners of the Women in AI Leadership Awards at Rising 2021 are Advitya Sarkar, the Director of Commercial Credit Risk Decision Science at American Express. A tenured professional in credit risk analytics with more than 12 years of experience, Advitya is a subject matter expert with respect to commercial machine learning models in the industry. She comes with extensive experience in the development and implementation of predictive models for commercial portfolios for business and regulatory use cases. Advitya has played a key role in socializing the machine learning models and bringing transparency in the interpretation of the models. She has also successfully led several transformational initiatives of leveraging machine learning techniques in making real-time underwriting decisions for unsecured commercial loan products for American Express. Advitya has a physics graduation degree from Jadavpur University and holds an MBA degree in finance from MDI Gurgaon.
Thank you Analytics India magazine for choosing to honor me with this award of Women in AI Leadership. It's an incredibly proud moment and means a lot to me as a professional in risk analytics. This award probably belongs equally to all the leaders that I've worked with throughout my formative years at Amex till date, who have been mentoring me and guiding me in this journey. This is also to the entire team, the incredibly smart set of colleagues that I interact with every day. The key thing that I've learned over years is that this is as much about skills, knowledge, as it is about leading through uncertainty, leading through ambiguous times, right? And in this context, I think Analytics India magazine is a brilliant forum for us to connect, and an event like Rising 2021 gives us the right set of opportunities to do that same thing. So thank you. Thanks a lot for organizing this and recognizing us.
Dr. Aparna Mishra, the Senior Manager Advisory Services at EY Global Delivery Services. An accomplished leader with over 20 years of experience in managing complex AI programs for different sectors and domains, Dr. Aparna has been leading AI practice in EY with a special focus on insurance, supply chain, talent and consumer sector. Dr. Aparna has also led key client engagements for supply chain operations and has expertise in quantitative business analytics, focusing on predictive modeling, machine learning, deep learning, and time series forecasting. She has also worked on trusted AI framework and governance structure to improve customer lifecycle models. Dr. Aparna holds a PhD in economics from IIT Kanpur.
Thank you Analytics India magazine. This award means a lot to me. Looking back, my journey has been full of excitement. Keeping pace with the changing technology and changing needs of the industry has been a real challenge. And today I am proud to be part of the industry where I have many opportunities to make AI an integral part in solving business problems. Last year in particular has been extremely challenging for everyone. Organizations and governments are looking for newer ways to solve business problems virtually, collaborate in different manners and improve efficiencies. And these challenges open further opportunities in AI. Since it's an AI award, I cannot take it without thanking my leaders, my mentors, team members who were with me in my professional journey. My sincere thanks to my parents who taught me to work hard, and my husband and daughter for being extremely collaborative and cooperative in supporting everything that I pursued. Once again, thank you Analytics India magazine for the honor, and my best wishes to all smart and lovely women in this field. Thank you.
Meenu Rachel Phillip, the Associate Vice President Analytics Consulting at Tiger Analytics. With around 14 years of experience in advanced analytics and AI, Meenu has designed, developed and deployed many end-to-end solutions spanning customer lifecycle management, marketing optimization, operational excellence and risk management. She comes with a strong technical knowledge of advanced ML algorithms and text analytics, and has been associated with organizations like Fractal Analytics, Absolute Data, and American Express. In her current role, Meenu is working with a team of data scientists and data engineers to develop solutions for insurance companies. Her work includes accelerated underwriting, effective care management for health insurance, pricing strategy for acquiring high-value customers, and customer engagement on online platforms.
Hello everyone. I'm deeply honored to be one of the winners for the Women in AI Leadership Awards 2021, curated by the Analytics India magazine. It's an absolute prestige to be recognized among some of the pioneering women in the industry. Awards like these can be real motivators, and I'm sure this will inspire a lot more women to join the field of data science and contribute to the creation of some really amazing solutions. I would like to thank my organization, Tiger Analytics, for nominating me for this recognition, as well as my Tiger Tribe for their unwavering support even during these tough times. This would not have been possible without the constant encouragement from my many mentors and colleagues over the years. I would also like to thank my family for their love and the sacrifices that each one of them have made to support my professional journey. Thank you so much.
Nidhi Pratap Neni, the Senior Vice President Product Analytics and Modeling Public Affairs at Wells Fargo. Nidhi heads the offshore marketing organization and the product analytics and modeling community at Wells Fargo, India and Philippines. She has been involved in driving the organization's CSR initiatives, campus engagement and internal communications. Prior to Wells Fargo, Nidhi has worked as Director Social Media and Community at Dell International Services, where she led the global social media team driving self-help initiatives for customers. She has also headed analytics for consumer services, spanning customer experience, operational excellence, and social outreach. She is an alumnus of St. Stephen's College, Delhi, and IIM Calcutta.
Hi everyone, and thank you so much for the award and the honor. It is a pleasure to be recognized in this fashion, and I wish the best for all the generations of women who are now stepping into data science and leading the way. And I'm so proud to see so many of my colleagues from other organizations featured in these and many other awards. So thank you once again. Bye.
Pavitra, the Competency Lead Data Science and Machine Learning at SAP Labs, India. Pavitra has over 17 years of experience in various SAP applications and is currently leading data science competency for the APJ region at SAP. She works with an interdisciplinary team consisting of data scientists and cloud and Java developers responsible for growing and nurturing amazing talent, driving customer projects, and developing products and support in AI/ML topics for the APJ region. Pavitra is accountable for driving the development of different portfolios of business in the AI/ML context, and has also been responsible for developing a disaster and relief management portal for the government of Karnataka in the context of COVID-19 pandemic. She comes from an information science engineering background with various certifications from online platforms.
Thank you so much for this honor, Analytics India. I'm truly humbled to be receiving Women in AI Leadership Award for 2021. AI by itself is neutral, whether it is in the pursuit of a business goal or a social change. What makes AI or any technology a positive contributor or even prevents it from reaching the greater good is about how we use it. It is the human element, the tangible impact we're able to make in people's lives, which AI by itself cannot provide. But when applied with empathy at its core, AI-related advancements become extremely valuable. I'd like to specially thank my leadership team at SAP who have inspired me, who've supported me grow data science and machine learning competency, driving customer projects, thus making intelligent enterprise truly a reality. I'd also like to thank my team for their incredible efforts. Our success in data science related customer projects was only possible because of their dedication and hard work. So this award is truly for my team for their brilliance. At the end of it, to me, embracing and using AI responsibly while respecting all humanity is extremely critical because we are not on the cusp of change. We are in the thick of it. Thanks again for this incredible award.
Dr. Pratibha Mugi, the Senior Manager, Senior Technical Staff Member at IBM Research India. Dr. Pratibha, a machine learning and AI practitioner with 20 years of experience and over 10 patents, is currently leading efforts in hybrid cloud and AI domain at IBM. Prior to joining IBM, she has served in many key R&D centers in various capacities to lead efforts in solutioning practical and viable AI-flavored features for IT products and services. Dr. Pratibha has a rich track record of driving key strategic efforts towards setting up stronger ML, AI and data science teams within business units. Her efforts in R&D have earned many recognitions. She has also been honored with the Award of Excellence for her contributions to effective computing.
I'm very happy to receive this year award by Analytics India magazine. I'm very thankful to them to give me this honor in such unprecedented times. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all my mentors, senior leadership team in IBM Research Lab, all my team members and colleagues with whom I had such a wonderful enriching experience working in technology domain. My sincere gratitude to my family members who have been a great pillar of my strength. I would like to send one message to all the budding professionals, especially women, that they should be fearless and they should be extremely passionate about carrying out a wonderful career in technology domain. Thank you.
Radha Rajappa, the Executive Chairperson at Flutura Business Solutions. With over 2 decades in the advanced analytics space and managed a portfolio of billion-dollar digital business, Radha Rajappa is an entrepreneurial business leader who has successfully nurtured and scaled digital businesses. Radha has been responsible for incubating Mindtree's analytics, KPO and digital business and grew it to a $500 million business. Before joining Flutura, she was heading Microsoft's India's enterprise and digital business and provided leadership for the development of many IPs throughout her career. Radha holds a BTech degree in Communication and Electronics and an MBA degree in Marketing and Finance from IIM Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Radha and I'm truly delighted to be chosen by the Analytics India magazine as one of the women leaders in the field of AI. My fascination with data, technologies around data, and the use of it for, I would say, businesses as well as all type of industries and citizens like you and me has been over 2 decades old now. And hence, I have been extremely deeply passionate about data, about building products in this area, about scaling multiple businesses in this area, as well as grooming talent in this area. My effort in this area has been actually over twofold. I would say 2 things which have appealed to me the strongest. One, I don't believe data is just a technology or it's about technology, but it's what outcome or what impact we can drive for customers that truly becomes the differentiating factor in data. The second is about talent and how do we groom talent? How do we groom data scientists or engineers or the domain people? The confluence of business and technology in the field of data is extremely important, and more so when you talk about AI. And with advances in AI, I actually feel that we talk so much about digital transformation, and soul of digital transformation is data and AI, and all of us know about it. At Flutura, we are a startup. We are in the industrial IoT space. We use AI and ML, and we have designed and built a product in the space called Cerebra, which is a brain that actually powers multiple industries in terms of operational outcomes. We work with a variety of industries. We work with energy customers in the energy field. We work with pharmaceutical companies. We work with heavy engineering companies. We work with process manufacturing companies. And what do we influence, or what do we actually impact for our customers? We really look at impacting either the yield, outcome, or measurable impact in terms of productivity. It could be sustainability. How do we lower the cost or efficiency of operations of energy in a manufacturing setup, or a complete zero quality in terms of zero defect badge? So many things that we influence. At Flotura, we are driven by an ambition, and our ambition is actually to see us deliver $1 billion worth of impact, measurable impact to our customers by 2024. And I'm sure this is a very tall order, this is an ambitious goal, but I'm blessed to really have a team which is super dedicated and which is super talented and deeply passionate about this journey that we take. So AI, I feel, is not about building the product or the technology that we have done, the cerebra that we take to our customers, but about how simplistic we can make it for adoption, for actually the usage of these by industrial engineers, by people in the operations area. And hence, we really truly want to democratize, I would say, AI in the hands of industrial engineers, and that's the goal, that's the passion which wakes me up every day. Thanks once again.
Ranjani Mani, the Senior Manager, Data Science and Advanced Analytics at VMware. With more than 14 years of experience in setting up and growing data science teams, product management, consulting and analytics, with stints across high-tech companies such as Dell, Oracle and VMware, Ranjani currently leads a 15-plus member global team of data scientists across 4 geographies. She and her team work on ML use cases that get integrated into product support as well as help executives with decision making. Ranjani is a class topper in her Bachelor's in Engineering in Electronics and Communication field and is a silver medalist in Master's in Business Administration. Her key areas of focus are proactive solutioning, intelligent search, proactive support and intelligent diagnostics, prediction models, and customer experience analytics.
Hello everyone, I am Ranjani. I lead a global data sciences team at VMware India. We work with cross-functional global teams to design and drive concept to completion analytics solutions for VMware customer experience and success. I would first of all like to thank my nominee, my brilliant team who continue to raise the bar every single day, and of course the VMware leadership team who champion talent and continue to reinforce our culture of EPIC 2 values. I'm absolutely honored to be recognized as the recipient of the eminent Women in AI Leadership Awards 2021 and to be amongst this stellar lineup of women trailblazing their fields. And in fact, a lot of speakers at the Rising across the years have been women I've looked up to, admired and inspired by. I'm passionate about creating a world we would like our children to live in, leveraging technology, and a world which includes a level playing field for all the women. And technology and AI, I believe, can be great democratizing forces. They bring in new opportunities and create a level playing field. So in the near term, I believe that AI will continue to drive an impact across sectors, from telemedicine to enabling increasingly remote-first knowledge workers. And also the convergence of all of these exponential technologies such as AI, quantum computing, 5G, IoT, 3D printing, blockchain. This will transform every industry and the way we live in the next decade or so. So it is therefore very heartening to see more women grow and get into the space. So thanks again for all the leaders and to Rising 2021 for inspiring, connecting and championing for more inclusion and diversity within tech and in AI. Thank you everyone.
Richa Agarwal, the Senior Manager Data Science Delivery Services at Tredence Inc. Richa is an analytics leader with more than 11 years of industry experience and has worked in BFSI, CPG, supply chain and other domains. Currently, she leads the Tredence Inc.'s customer delivery team and has been instrumental in leading data science specific initiatives. As a delivery manager, Richa has worked on a few collaborative strategies to enable clients to obtain short-term results as well as develop new long-term sustainability strategies. She has also integrated this philosophy into Tredence's work culture, which helped the company grow, motivate more employees, and acquire new skills. Richa is a certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt professional and holds a leadership and change management certification from ISB Hyderabad. Richa is also a proud mother of a 5-year-old son.
I'm extremely humbled by receiving this award, and I would like to thank the jury members of the Rising 2021 for the honor and for giving me this opportunity of standing here with so many exemplary leaders who were facilitated today and in the past. This platform not only gives opportunity to motivate women who are already there in data science to excel in their industry, but also remove the challenge of not having enough role models. With industry talking about gender diversity, I believe corporates have realized that women can take tough assignments and also bring a balance to the culture of an organization that enables speedy growth. Hence, I would continue to encourage women to take up new challenges, upskill themselves, and consider technology and data science to be one of the preferred choice of career development. So girls, let's grow together. Take it up. It's a great field. You won't regret. Thank you.
Shweta Sandilia, Program Director and Regulatory Technology Leader at IBM Data and AI Division. With 21 years of experience, Shweta is a recognized leader in data management, governance and data science within and outside IBM. She has developed and led products from initial incubation to a multi-million business, specifically in data and artificial intelligence. In IBM, Shweta currently leads the global organization on product development, which deals with various types of frauds in the financial and insurance sector. Shweta comes with a strong acumen in data science, and under her leadership, IBM has designed an algorithm for federated entity matching useful for banks and hospitals. Shweta is also a batch topper of Bachelor of Engineering from NIT Patna and holds an MBA degree in product specialization. One of her products has also been honored with the Asia Risk Technology Award in 2020.
I am so thrilled and honored to receive Women in AI Leadership Award 2021 by Analytics India magazine. Thank you so much for considering me capable of this award. I have been working on products and offerings related to the data for the last 21 years. I believe that data speaks a lot. We should be able to understand the data and separate the noise from it to solve a specific business problem. Specifically in the last few years, I have been working on the fraud domain, solving problems like anti-money laundering, human trafficking, insurance claims fraud, and payment fraud. So for all the new aspirants who are kind of looking at making a career in their artificial intelligence and machine learning space, two important pieces to keep in mind is you should be able to look at the data and be able to make sense out of it. And second, understand the business problems, because without understanding the business problem, the data cannot be made to solve in that business. Again, thank you so much for considering me for this award.
Sudhira Vanguri, the Head of Product Management for Language and Document AI Product Suite at Google Cloud. With a bachelor's degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from India and an MBA degree from INSEAD France, Sudhira has led and co-founded many AI products offered by Google Cloud, including the Document AI Product Suite, Lending Doc AI, Procurement Doc AI, and AutoML. Her product line is regularly highlighted and featured in major publications and has won Google's Global Stratosphere Award and Google Cloud's Feats of Engineering Award. Prior to this, Sudhira held engineering and product roles in Amazon Web Services, Myntra, and Yahoo. She also serves as a guest lecturer at Stanford University's Designing Machine Learning course.
Hi everyone, I'm pleased to receive this award and I'd like to thank the Analytics India magazine. Throughout my journey, I've had a wonderful experience in companies such as Amazon and Google, and I've had excellent mentors and supportive colleagues throughout, and I'm very grateful. In my current role at Google Cloud AI, there are many platforms to support leadership and development, for which I'm very grateful to the leadership at Google. I'd like to thank my parents for their encouragement and for being my pillars of strength. And I'd also like to thank my husband for his unending support. Thank you.
Surga Thilakan, the co-founder and CEO of SalesKen, a conversation intelligence platform for sales representatives. Before establishing SalesKen, Surga ran a skill training company, iStar, for 10 years and was working as an investment banker in Goldman Sachs. The work on data science at SalesKen is cutting edge. It operates on meaning and inference vectors applied in a cross-lingual manner on live conversations. The company has shown unprecedented growth and has taken on category leaders globally. Under Surga's leadership, SalesKen has built a unique set of machine learning engines that provide live assistance to sales reps. Surga is also a university topper in BCom and a rank holder chartered accountant with an MBA degree from IIM Ahmedabad. She has also been honored as the most powerful woman in business in 2018. Vidya V. Raghavan, the Vice President Head of Analytics at Standard Chartered Bank. An analytics leader with hands-on experience in building and nurturing a high-energy team of analytics professionals, Vidya comes with 19 years of experience in banking and information technology operations. She has also been solving business challenges by providing data-driven solutions. Vidya is currently steering a team of 40 to populate business performance metrics analytics and has successfully implemented workforce management dashboard across the units using forecasting models. Vidya holds a business analytics degree from the Great Lakes Institute of Management.
Hello everyone. Hope all of you are staying healthy and staying safe. I am Vidya Veeraraghavan. I am a data evangelist. I'm excited to be part of the Rising 2021. This is definitely one of the prestigious moments of my life that honors my work. To begin with, I want to thank Analytics India magazine and the panel of judges for honoring me with this award. I'm really thrilled and want to take this opportunity to thank the people who have believed in me, helped me, guided me, and pushed me to be better every day. This award is a culmination efforts thanks to my family, my parents, my two lovely daughters and my sisters, and my friends and mentors from Citi and Standard Chartered. You have always encouraged me and stood by me, giving me the right perspective and vision, allowing me to make my own mistakes, learn from them, and improve myself in the process. I genuinely feel that platforms like The Rising send out a very strong message to the world of women's dedication and contribution to data science and technology. This encourages more women in these domains to continue to make positive impacts because we show them the possibilities. My journey started with Citi, which laid strong foundation in banking, operations and analytics. I moved on to Standard Chartered Bank to pursue my love for analytics. I've kept my learning meter on, a habit that I have imbibed for life. I'm a lifelong student. As a data evangelist, I take immense pride in building a data-driven analytics culture and that can foster and thrive curious analytics ecosystem along with my team. I strongly believe that organizations and customers can put in the driver's seat simply by enabling them with the right data at the right time. We ensure digitization, machine learning, AI, and IoT tools to be the frontline warriors to make positive impact to the business. The person who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. I have just begun to scratch the surface, to carry away a few small stones. I have a long way to go. I have got a big mountain to move. Jai Hind.